in this question it is given that the two ends of a metal rod are maintained at temperature of 100 and 110 degrees Celsius. The rate of flow of heat in the rod is found to be 0.04 joules per second. If the ends are maintained at a temperature of 200 and 210 degrees Celsius, the rate of flow of heat will be. So what they're trying to say in question is that there is a rod. One end initially we are maintaining at a temperature of 100 and the other end is at 110. Then there will be some flow of heat energy. Let's say the flow of heat energy through this is dq by dt. And in the second situation, for the same rod, we are maintaining some other temperature. So like on one end we are maintaining the temperature as something but 200, and other end we are maintaining the temperature as 210. But you can observe that in both the situation, the difference in temperature delta T is same. So delta T is 10 in the situation, and here also the difference in temperature is delta T, which is also equal to nothing but 10. So from the equation, that is dq divided by dt is equal to Ka delta T by L. The rate of flow of heat energy depends upon difference in temperature, not depends upon the temperature. So as difference in temperature is same, in both the situations same flow of heat energy is going to happen. As in first situation it was 4 joules per second, now also that will be 4 joules per second only.